Okay, hi guys. Today we're gonna how to show you to cook egg.
Wait. Ganito.
Oh,
Do
yeah.
this. Ay, wait lang, Zaya.
Why?
Mabasag ni Zaya. Oh, ganito. First, you're gonna crack it in the middle. Yan. Then, do this.
Oh, okay.
Oh, try it. Harder. Yan. Oh! Slowly lang. Ay, dahil ng ano.
Then na.
Oh, more. Dali na. Crack it.
One by one.
Yan. Ganito kasi Russell, oh. Hold here and here. Then open. Oh,
Oh my gosh.
here. Dito, oh. Sa gitna, oh. Yan. Oh, yan. Oh, more. Oh, huwag ka magpapunas dyan. Later ka mag-wash ng hands. Yan. Good. Dito, oh, sa may crack. Diyan ka maghahawak. Oh. Ay! Lagyan mo lahat. Yan. Okay.
My gosh. This
Gas.
is okay. Should it best is up. So that's it.
Oh. Cracking. Si Zaya. Okay. Oh, next. Salt. Put salt.
Put salt. 1, 2,
Put
3.
salt. Okay. More. Put it all.
Put it all. Sprinkle.
Lagay mo na lahat.
Okay. There.
Oh, then.
Mixing.
Mix na, mix.
Mixing.
Sige mag-mix, oh.
Stir. Ay. Wait, me.
Yan.
Stir. Go in, stir.
Okay, let's prepare the pan.
Yeah. Prepare the pan.
Off it first.
But first, need to wash the hand.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go wash the hand. Okay, guys, this is the part 2. Then first,
You
you
need
gonna
to hit the.
heat the pan.
Then next.
Pour this.
A little lang ha, little lang.
Is that
More. Okay.
okay? That's only a little bit. If lahat, it's gonna go boom. Yeah, not lying. Then just wait for my mom to stir it, and you guys are gonna ask some questions. But I know I have a lot of hate comments, but I know I'm a child, but that's so crazy. I already cooked. Look, it's so good, diba? You want to eat my egg? Check out the comments. Okay, then
I'm gonna pour it na lang for
No.
you. No, pour it like this. Oh.
There. Then we're gonna stir it again.
No, stir it there na. Not like that. Wait mo lang, ganyan lang yan. Oh. Then wait. Wait mo muna, ganyan lang muna.
Until it's white.
Yeah.
Is it gonna be 3 minutes? Is it?
Maybe.
Okay.
O, yan na. May white na, di ba? Tapos yung white na, di ba? Then do this.
Owie.
Here. And here.
Look! Wow, it's actually cooking.
Then wait again.
Yeah, it's so hot. Can I try?
Wait lang. There's white na.
Oh, I see a little white.
Okay, go.
Hey guys, I'm sorry my mom is not here to help me, so I'm gonna do it by myself.
Get it na, it's already cooking. Put it here.
Oh my gosh.
Careful ah, careful. Oh, mali. Here.
1, 2, 3, go! Yay! I cooked an egg. And,
Oh, go.
and this is our ulam for today. If you're at New
This
Zealand,
morning lang.
if you're at New Zealand, Hi guys! And bye guys for my liking for the cooking. Bye!